Pakistan has repeatedly resorted to ceasefire violation. In fact, Pakistan summoned India's envoy to Islamabad, TCA Raghavan, and protested ceasefire violations. One person was killed on the Indian side. Pakistani media is reporting 4 deaths on the Pakistani side. As this tension simmers between India and Pakistan, sporting ties between the two countries may also be hit. The first leg of Pro Kabaddi in Mumbai between the 18th and 21st of July may see Pakistani players sitting out, with the organizers taking a safety-first approach. This was confirmed by the chief organizer of Pro Kabaddi, Charu Sharma, who said at certain venues they may have to bear in mind local sensibilities and sensitivities. The Shiv Sena has opposed Pakistani participation in sports in Mumbai. Charu Sharma, however, did confirm that the union government had permitted Pakistani players to participate in the entire league. Let's listen in before I get you more on that story.
Well, we've been very fortunate that the Indian government, I think, perhaps, I shouldn't conjecture, but perhaps, everybody realizes that this is the sport of our land. And sure, there's a divider, between India and Pakistan and the rest of our, nations around India. But they've all been permitted. And we're all grateful to the government for that, because they realize that, a certain amount of sporting interaction does need to happen. Maybe it's not that high profile yet, I don't know. But the Pakistanis are delighted to be a part of Star Sports Pro Kabaddi. We're delighted to have them. They're some of the best players in the world. Whether they can play every match at every venue, I don't know. We might have to take some local sensibility into account, which maybe makes sense. But I just appeal to people that, listen, it's sport. They're innocents. They come and play, they show their wares, they play hard. I think it's up to us to go out there and appreciate it, rather than say, where are you from? Say, yes, we want to see them play. We don't want this division. I hope that happens. But if we have to bow down to some excessive compulsion, that may make sense for us too.
I want to bring in India Today's Rasesh Mandani for more on this. Rasesh, can you tell us in detail what Charu Sharma meant when Charu said they can play at some venues, they may have to sit out at some other venues, keeping local sensibilities in mind?
Gaurav, it's almost clear that the first leg of the Pro Kabaddi League, which would be in Mumbai from the 18th to the 21st, in this league, the Pakistani players will not play. We'll wait and see if they do land in Mumbai. Remember the previous year, there was a case where some of the players did not even come to the city. There was an instance where some of the players did make their presence felt in the venue and did not play. No one has ever played in Mumbai as far as Kabaddi is concerned. But this season, Charu Sharma, what he's saying on the record is that certain sensibilities, and that's obviously pointing towards Shiv Sena's repeated opposition to any Pakistani sportsman playing in Mumbai. Interestingly, there's no public statement that has come in from the Sena so far as Kabaddi is concerned, but it seems the organizers, Gaurav, are taking a safety-first approach on this count. However, I should add that this hasn't got any opposition as far as the Indian government is concerned. Yes. 6 Pakistani players are set to play in this Kabaddi league, and all of them have been given a go-ahead. That's what the organizers are saying.
Okay, the Shiv Sena in the past has said, and that was specifically about cricket, that you cannot have a playing 11 with cricket bats and another playing 10, and referring to the 10 Pakistani terrorists who had come on 26/11 carrying AK-47 assault rifles, and the mayhem that Mumbai saw for 3 days. 166 innocent lives were lost in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. Has the Shiv Sena or the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, any one of them even unofficially opposed the Kabaddi matches?
Like I said, Gaurav, last year some of the Pakistan players were present at the venues. They did not play, but for organizers on their front are just taking a safety-first approach. But Sena's opposition to sport in Mumbai, Pakistani players' participation has not been restricted to cricket. As we've known a couple of years back, some of the hockey players who wanted to play, Pakistani hockey players who wanted to participate in the hockey league, there were protests outside the Mumbai stadium, and eventually the matches, the participation did not happen. So Sena has been aggressively opposing Pakistani players' participation. Some would say that, some would allege that it has got nothing to do with nationality, that it may be for political gains, but that is besides the point. The fact remains that the organizers understand that there could be trouble, and they seem to be adopting a safety-first approach.